Okay, folks, we have 13-day-old Belgium Malinois. This is our newest program with breeding. Milwaukee Malinois. Their eyes are just starting to open. These guys are precious. Yes. True to the breed. Belgium Malinois. These are the 3 boys. Try and make this video somewhat quick. This guy. Oh, who are you growling at, big guy? Guys. And here are the 4 girls. The girls, they're all cuddled up together here. There's some big girls in there, boy, I tell you. And all of these guys, they're growling almost from day one. Once again, they are 13 days old. They were born Father's Day, and today's July 4th. Thanks for watching. Over and out.